Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight forward expedition step by step. Begin by parking on a flat surface, setting the brake, and opening the hood. Locate the headlight assembly and inspect for fasteners or clips holding the trim. Gather tools like a socket set and replacement bulb. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts and protect the new bulb from oil contamination by wearing gloves. With the hood open and battery disconnected, find the bolts or clips securing the headlight assembly. Use the appropriate socket or screwdriver to remove fasteners, then gently pull the assembly forward to clear the fender. Support the assembly with one hand while you reach behind to the bulb socket. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it free, taking care not to touch the glass of the old bulb with bare fingers. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more DIY videos. Quick recommendation. I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it really changed how I think about money, which feels oddly relevant when saving on repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the new bulb only by the base and avoid touching the glass with bare hands to prevent premature failure. Insert the bulb into the socket, align the tabs, and twist clockwise until it locks into place. Carefully reposition the headlight assembly into the fender opening and reinstall all bolts or clips you removed. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the new headlight to confirm correct operation and alignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.